Okay, we're doing the sewer line inspection at the property at 5212 Fringetree Drive in McKinney. And we're getting ready to start that inspection. We're at the front of the property. Basically, there's two cleanouts. There's one here and one over there, basically over there, and we'll get to that one next. But that one closest to the wall goes out toward the curb, and this one out toward the yard, from the house out toward the yard, goes back to the house. So we're gonna do that one first, so let's get started. So I'm gonna go to the bottom of the clean out and zero this out so you can see. So you can see right here that the clean out is 4 feet 4 inches down, and I'm going to zero that out so we can do the lateral inspection. Lateral just meaning running under the property or flat. So lateral is not the vertical. So let's try to see what we end up having here. So we're entering the line. This is all PVC. So this again is all PVC. This looks pretty clean. Basically, when I say clean, I just mean that these lines right here, so like this flow line, all of this down below. So if this ever had full drainage fixture units, it's a volume of measurement. If it ever had if it was ever at full capacity, meaning all the toilets are flush, the shower is on, the dishwasher is draining, if it ever dumped everything out of the house at once, it shouldn't really exceed this midpoint. And that's how I know that this is installed properly, because it's a 1/4 inch drop per foot. So over 4 feet, it's a 1 inch drop. You wouldn't want that to be any more or less. There's slight variance, but because you want the water to pull the solids down, you don't want the water to just race past the solids and leave the solids in the line. So this looks pretty good so far. And again, this is all PVC, so we are, let's see this joint. We are 5 feet, you can see here, 5 feet under the property, under the slab. This joint looks good. And on those joints, I'm just looking for full primer around. It's hard to tell where the glue exactly is, but the assumption is made that if you do full primer on that joint, you're going to also cover that with glue. And then you can, I can see if there's any like separation or offsets or anything. But this looks really good. This is very clean. It's fairly new. This again is all PVC. We're 23 feet under the house. This joint looks like here. So this looks like it welded properly. And welded just means that the glue created a bind or a weld with the two PVC pieces. Yeah, this looks very good. Yeah, that looks good. So this is either a toilet drain or like a washing machine drain or something from upstairs. sure if this is 2-story. Yeah, 2-story, so it could be something from upstairs. But it looked clean. So here we have another drain, probably a toilet coming into the main line. And we're at 33 feet. This drain. This joint looks good. Go into the back of the property here. This all looks good. I don't see anything here. This all looks good. This looks good. Just look at this joint. Yeah, that joint looks good. And we're at the back of the property. So this is where some toilet goes up or some drain goes up right here. And it meaning like it goes up to whatever that is and then drains out. It's the beginning of it. So this looks very good underneath the property. So I'm going to stop this and then I'll do part 2 on the other clean out.